Hey guys, Mencha here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I made a track, something like it's inspired by Peggy Gou. By the way, Peggy Gou it's a South Korean DJ and producer who lives in Berlin, Germany now. And Peggy Gou has own style, really unique, something like back in the days, using old school sounds, organs, basses, drums, etc. But it sounds really cool in 2024, even in this year, because there are a lot of tracks sounds like back in the days now, and these tracks sounds really cool and unique. I used some melodies from the track called Nanana. Yeah, by the way, it was a cool hit in 2023, and I decided to use more fresh tracks like Lobster Telephone and Back to One. These tracks also by Peggy Gou. You can listen to them. I leave the links in the description. You can easily listen to them if you didn't listen to this producer. I don't know, but this track Nanana sound you could listen to it in every radio station, I guess. Yeah, so let me show you the track and I'll explain what I used here in this track. Okay, it sounds like that, and let me show you what I use in this track. Let's start from the rhythm section. It sounds like that. I used a kick. By the way, I decided to use just a simple pack from the default pack you can find in every FL Studio, and I really like this kick because Peggy Gou also uses something like kicks, something like that. Not so big, but maybe old school, something like that. We have a clap. I decided to use more reverb here. And I decided to use this mono plugin to make the clap in mono. By the way, it's something like a feature when you listen to Peggy Gou's tracks. I hear that a lot of instruments play in mono. I don't know why. Maybe it's a feature of this artist. I don't know. But I decided to not use a lot of mono in my track. I really like when it sounds more white, and I tried to make mono, something like here we hear piano. But I really like how it sounds in stereo. That's why I decided not use mono on every channel, but maybe on a clap section or some instruments. We have also head, open head, these drums, and this right. I think it sounds really like back in the days, or really vintage or something. We have a bass. It sounds like a square. By the way, if you listen to Peggy Gou's tracks, you can hear that a lot of basses, it's something like a simple square. It's something like an organ. Also we have this organ. And we have this synth. I don't know, it's something like a lead pad or something. Yeah, and we have something like a melody. Yeah, also we have piano. I already showed it. I really like how it sounds. Also we have something like a pad. And both they sounds really cool. It's something like 2 layers of these keys. Also we have this guitar. It's something like ATB 9 PM. I just copied this melody from track called Nanana, and let me show you. I use 2 layers here. It's something like a plug or something, and more old school guitar from Nexus. By the way, you can easily find this guitar in the factory presets. It's called Till I Come See. Yeah, sounds really cool and insane. Also we have vocals.
Every time you touch me, I get overwhelmingly licking you. You got me flying high.
Yeah, and I decided to make something like chops from these vocals. And in this part we have a full vocal chop loop. Something like that, a lot of reverb and delay. We have a simple, really simple crash, also from this pack, from this default pack in the FL Studio. And I just decided to use delay here. And we have 2 layers of snares. Yeah, that's all we have here. Nothing special, but anyway, I tried to make this sound more fat, and it sounds not so good. I decided not to use a lot of saturation. By the way, something like I like to use Sound Goodizer on the low bass or sub bass, and I decided to make a bit less saturation here, because if you hear Peggy Gou tracks, you can hear that they are not a lot saturated, something like they sounds a bit old school, as I said, and I decided not to use a lot of saturation or something. Yeah, if you want to check the project, if you want to make something like Peggy Gou, I don't know, feel free to check links in the description. I leave the links to Patreon and Boosty, the same content but other platforms, and you can easily download it and make maybe your own track with your own melody, your own vocals, I don't know, but in Peggy Gou's genre style. So feel free to check all the links in the description, and let me know what do you think about this track, about this something like, it's not a copy, it's just a track in the style of Peggy Gou, something like that, inspired. Yeah, I would say inspired by Peggy Gou. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you didn't do that yet. So Mensch was here. Bye bye, guys.